Alright, first make sure it's in gear. Grab you a few rags. One underneath the front crash guard, one underneath the back crash guard, and I got a rubber mat laying over here. Alright, go make sure it's in gear. Come over and grab a hold of the seat handle. Just lay it over easy. Right, it's easier if you use a bar. I didn't have one, so I went over and stole one out of the neighbor's fence this morning. I'll put it back at the well. Pick up on the bike. Put the center stand down. Back tire's off the ground. Front one's off the ground. Alright, this is 19 millimeter. I think. Yep. That's all loose. Breaker bar is easier. Oh, my butt crack ain't showing. Yeah. This is the car tire coming off. It's going to be a little crowded in there. Wide. Might have to work with it. Not bad. Pretty wide. My $75 eBay tire and wheel going back on. Yeah, that's a lot of trouble. Alright, little cheater pipe to help tighten it up. You ain't got a breaker bar. Supposed to go every other. snugging a little at a time. Click, click. That's my torch rat. Click, click. 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 All right. All right, get your pipe back. Just to kind of help raise it up a little. Focus in on the head back. If you look at it on the other side, it's laying on the crash guard. That's what it's supposed to do. Okay, this is why you want it to be in gear so it don't roll after you stand it up. If your name is Daryl McGee and you can't do this, call me and I'll get my mom to come over and help you stand it back up. Grab the seat guard again and the handlebar. Make sure the kickstand's down. That's it. It's done. I took 7 minutes playing around.